Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD part modeling tutorial number 93. As you can see that I have already modeled this part with respect to our isometric drawing, and I will show you from the scratch how you can model this part in FreeCAD. This tutorial is designed for the beginner user of a FreeCAD, those who have just started learning the part modeling. So I will close this file and I will create a new file, and I will show you from step by step how you can model this part. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new part, and now I will insert a body. You can also insert the part, and you can insert body within this part. Means this part will work as a container, but in our case we will just create a body. And now we will press the origin with a space bar key on keyboard to on it, or you can also right click on it and get the option of visibility. Now we will create our first sketch on this top plane. Select the top plane and click on the sketch, and press the space bar, and now we will create this trapezoidal profile. So for this we will select the polyline tool, and we will create a rough profile. Now we will give the dimension. So we will select first vertical dimension and give it 70 mm, and this is of 90, and we will select this horizontal, and this is the 142. So this is the our base profile, and now we will come out of it, and we will select the sketch, click on extrude, and we will provide here 16 mm of a thickness. Now we will select this back face, and we will create our sketch. So we will select this face and click on sketch, and first thing which we will do is to click on project geometry and project this bottom edge, and we will create our profile. First select line tool and create an exact line as per our projected one, and then select a line tool and create a line at angular, and which is this one, and now we will create a arc of R16. So we will select a 3-point arc. We will select this and this and add the tangent and select it, and provide the radius of R16. Now we will move it, and we will create a horizontal line, and we will select this and this and add the tangent, and now we will provide the dimension. Select this and provide the horizontal dimension of a 45, and select this point and add a vertical dimension of a 50. You can cross check the values I am putting with respect to this drawing. And now we have came here, and now we will create a 3-point arc. Select a 3-point arc and select a line tool and create a line and make this line as a vertical, and select this radius and provide the radius of 25, and from this point to this point give the horizontal dimension 121.36. Now we will move it, and let's see what is the unconstrained. So we will select this and add the horizontal relation, and now our sketch is fully constrained, so we will close it and click on the pad, and here you are not seeing anything, so click on reverse, and here thickness is of 16 mm. Click on OK. Now this is not merged, this and this, so we will go to the pad, set refine condition is true, so now it will be merged. Now we will press 0 and we will select this face and click on the sketch and click on project geometry and project it, and we will create on a circle, create a circle equal to our projected one, and create one more circle, and from here select diameter and provide the diameter size of a 28. Click on close, and now we will extrude it to the 20 mm. So select the sketch, click on the extrude and click on the reverse, and from here give the value of a 22. Click on OK. Now select the face and click on the sketch, and instead of creating a sketch we will delete this sketch, and space bar, show the sketch and click on extrude, and now we will extrude it to the 20 mm. So this is how you can do it. Instead of creating a new sketch, just on it. But here this and these two seems like two separate cylinder, so go to the pad and set the refine condition true, so now it will be a single cylinder. Now we will select this face and we will add the material and click on the sketch, and now here we will click on project geometry and project the outer diameter, and from here switch to the wireframe, and we will create a vertical line. Select this and add the tangent, and click on the trim it, select the line tool, and now select a 3-point arc, click on close. Now press V7 for the shaded view. Select the sketch, click on pad, and from here click on reverse, and from drop down select up to face and select this back side of a face and press 0. Here is a merging issue, so click on the pad, set refine condition true, so it is merged. Now we will provide the fillet of R25. So select the fillet, select this edge and this edge, and give it a 25. Click on OK, and now we will create a datum plane at a distance of 90. So we wanted to create this cut, so on our plane, so select this base plane and create a datum plane, and here in a Z direction give the value 90. So this plane is a tangent to this face. Now click on OK of the origin plane, and now here is a blue tick, so press F5 you can also press here to refresh it. Now select the datum plane and click on the sketch, and now we will press 0 and switch to the right orientation. So this is the right orientation, and now we will off this datum plane and we will project this edge. So click on the project geometry and project this one, and we will create a rectangle here, and vertical will be the 5 mm. Select the vertical, give the 5 mm, move it, and this is of a 30 horizontal, and from the edge it is of a 10 mm. Select horizontal dimension, select this point and this point, and give the 10 mm. So our profile is fully constrained. We will go here, come out of the sketch. Now select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and provide the cut depth of 60 mm approximate, so that it can cut this cylinder circular profile. Click on OK. Now we will create these two holes. So first we will select this face and click on the sketch. We will project this geometry, this one and this one. Here hole is not concentric with this arc, but we will make it concentric, and hole diameter is not given, so we will assume it to the 20 mm. So we will create two circles, select diameter and give it 20, and we will select this and this, and select the sketch, click on the extrude cut, and from here say it through all, press 0. Now we will create one more hole here, and we will consider here diameter 15. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, so we can get a center mark here. So select a circle and create a circle, select diameter and provide the value of a 15 mm. Click on close, select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and from here say it through all, say OK. So here we have assumed some dimension which was not available in the drawing. So our here main motto is to learn the features of a part modeling with respect to the dimensions. Okay, dimension may be vary, but you must learn the how to create and each and every feature shown in a part. As you can see that we have successfully modeled this part in FreeCAD, and now we will provide the red color as per our isometric drawing. So we will go with a shape color, and we will go to the here red, select here, and we will adjust this pointer and click on OK. So you can see that more or less it is a matching color, and we have exactly made this part in FreeCAD. And this tutorial is for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the part modeling. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have enjoyed it, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help this channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome tutorial on FreeCAD. So this is all about this tutorial. Link is given in a video description of my Ko-Fi donation page. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.